Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create stop motion videos within Capcut. Now, I've seen some videos where they start using the Velocity app or the effect with Velocity. This isn't how you do stop motion. So I've just done a quick example here. Stop motion is done with pictures. So let's say you press play here. As you can see, all the pictures are different lengths here at the bottom. How do we solve that? Because that is the main problem that people have when they're trying to make stop motion images with Capcut. You come up to the top here, select Capcut, and you want to head into the Capcut settings. Then you want to come to Edit, and you'll see here Image Duration, and you want to change this to how many seconds you want. So for instance, you can change it to 2 seconds. This represents seconds here at the end. You can have it for frames as well. Let's keep it for seconds. So let's save that. Now let's delete these. And every time you drag an image onto the timeline, it will be 2 seconds here, as you can see. So that's how to create a stop motion video within Capcut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.